welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mallory. If you'd like to become one of my pals, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below along with the notification bell. So it is that time again where we unbox an Influencer Voxbox. So Influencer, as I've talked about before, this was quite a surprise. There goes Squeaky. She matches the box. So it shouldn't be too much of a surprise because you do get emails, and first of all you have to create an account, which is free. You download an app for your phone, your iPad, whatever. It's free, or you can go on their website, which is also free, and you get yourself all set up and everything is free. And it is the only service and only thing that I've ever found to be true where when they say it's free, it is free. You don't pay at all for shipping. Some things, they say they're free and then you're like, why is it $5 or whatever? So that's not the case here. And you get products to try out. So yeah, we got a little box, and you get an email saying, there's an opportunity. The more active you are on the site, I think the more opportunities you have to get these boxes. And it's kind of like a surprise, but it kind of isn't, depending on how well you're paying attention. So sometimes you kind of know ahead of time what you're getting, and there might be a few little surprises. Sometimes, yeah, you know outright what you're getting. Or you at least have an idea of if it's beauty or food or health related, whatever, skincare, all that fun stuff. Because you get an email, and if you want to opt in, you take a little pre-quiz thing to see if you qualify. And if you do, then you just say that you agree to all their terms and services, and you opt in. And if you're lucky, you're chosen. And look at here. This looks backwards and upside down for me, but hopefully it's right for you. This is L'Oreal Paris. We got a nice sized box here. And then we're gonna open it up. And here, this is Discover, Review, Share. Get the app now. So I've had the app for quite some time, so it's a lot easier to work with personally than to go on the website, but to each his or her own. You have goodies in the box, so you gotta think about it, what's in it, all the info, which we're gonna save for last. Ooh. Got some paper. So all that is in this bottle right here is we have some L'Oreal Paris Fresh Coconut Fragrance. This is the new Sublime Bronze Self-Tanning Water Mousse in the shade medium. So it's coconut water, vitamin E, natural looking tan. Your tan basically in 4 to 8 hours. It has an invisible feel and it's transfer resistant. So let's see. L'Oreal Paris Sublime Bronze. Beautifully bronzed skin in a weightless invisible mousse. I used to try a product like this back in the day where it was clear and you'd spray it on your skin and rub it in with vinyl. You'd wear vinyl gloves. I need to get hand protection. It was a little streaky. I did put it on my face and I looked orange. I was a Oompa Loompa for Christmas one year. But anyways, I guess it's most people when they self-tan, they just do from here on down and then just shade up in their foundation. But I don't wear makeup every day, so anyways, if you're curious, the Sublime Bronze Mousse Self-Tanning Water Mousse with coconut water and vitamin E. Is an ultra lightweight, transfer resistant, clear formula that disappears into the skin for an invisible feel, and you get a quick dry tan. So for best results, shake well, pump into hand, and smooth over clean exfoliated skin. Luckily I have an exfoliator. Allow 4 to 8 hours for the color to fully develop, and then the skin will feel smooth, soft, with a streak-free, even finish. So, yeah, cross your fingers. I mean, that's what its claim to fame is, and was so, I'm a little anxious to try this, but I also don't like looking like a ghost. So, and it's better than like baking in the sun. That's not good for you. So you can have the app, and then, okay, so yeah, testing purposes. We test all products and we rate them. As always, in the description box below is a link. So, here's Camila Cabello. So, if you're at all interested in giving this a go, that is how you can do so. Check out other favorites from L'Oreal Paris Sublime Bronze. There is a hydrating self-tanning milk. That's interesting. That is a gradual glotation. I usually prefer that because, you know, if you mess up, it's not too bad. So that, and then they have the bronze towelette for the body. These like little like wet wipes with like a tanner. I have a sheet mask, self-tanning sheet mask. I don't know. I mean, there's products I'm playing around with, and I do like to look tan. I think, you know, it just makes you look glowy and beautiful and more toned. So that's what came in my box. Once again, if you are interested in trying out Influencer and their services, there is a link always, forever and always, in my description box, along with other fun stuff and other social media things, where you can find me anywhere. Come say howdy do, hello, hi, how are you? And yeah, so thanks so much for watching this video. If you do have any comments, questions, and or suggestions, leave those down below, and I will talk to y'all soon. And until next time, keep it quirky.